How to create printable address labels with images in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then click on Mailings at the top. In Mailings, you'll find Labels. Click on Labels. After you're in the Labels section, in here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply add what you want for your address in the address section. Make sure it's full page of the same label, and then click on Options. After that, in here, select Tray, make sure it's default tray, and then select product number and press on OK. After that, simply press on New Document. Then you'll find your label with the address. Now to add any image like your logo, click on Insert at the top. Click on Pictures and select where your picture is. It's in my file, so I'm simply clicking on this device. Now select the picture and press on Insert. After the image is inserted, simply click on the square shape option beside it and make sure it's with text wrapping first option, which is square. After you have done that, you can resize it and drag it wherever you want. After you have done that, you can select and change the text options as well. To add the picture in all the labels, go to Mailings and go to Labels. Right-click on the selected address and click on Paragraph. You can change its general alignment. After you're done, press on OK and press on New Document. After that, image will be added in all the labels. Now to print, you can simply click on File at the top left corner of your screen and then click on Print. After you've clicked on Print, you can select Copies at the top, increase the copies, how many you want, and then simply connect your printer and press on Print. This is how to create printable address labels with images in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.